What's up, everyone? It's your boy Terry, speaking from the garage shop again. Here to offer you some more big bang for the buck product and info. Yeah, I know what you're saying. You're saying, Terry, what are you doing with your Trailblazer SS headlights? Right? Well, if you've been watching my videos, and I really hope you have, and I hope you enjoy them. So then you guys know all the work that we put into the Trailblazer SS. It was supposed to go to SEMA last year, 2020. I don't know what's gonna happen this year, but even still, things are starting to open up, which means car shows are probably gonna start opening up, and you wanna have your car looking tight, looking right for those car shows. So you guys know that I got the cowl hood on here, that's all painted, looking pretty. Fenders were painted, bumper paint, several pieces of the truck were painted. So we got it looking pretty, but I cannot and I will not roll up in the car show looking like this. Yeah. Oh, look at them, they're horrible. Now I got a couple of things jumping off with the Trailblazer SS, where there's gonna be appearances with this truck, maybe LS Fest, we're gonna try to get out there, and other type of TV type stuff, where I just can't go rolling in looking like this. So basically what we're gonna do today is we're gonna replace these headlights. Now I know some of you guys are probably saying, Terry, you did a video not too long ago where you sandpapered your driving lights to like new luster. Yeah, and made the driving lights look beautiful. But see, this type of damage isn't just faded, it's not just sun beaded, these are cracks, you can see them. Yeah, and you can't buff these out. That comes from rocks jumping off the road, hitting the headlights, and just normal wear. Fortunately for Trailblazer owners, these headlights, you can replace them. If you simply want stock replacements, you can get them. If you want your Trailblazer to look like a deranged psychopath, they got you. They make these headlights with these LED rings, 2 rings per headlight. And it looks weird, but it's kind of cool. See, these are replacements. And when I replaced them about 3 or 4 years ago, I was into the tinted headlight look, you see? There's a little bit of tint on the headlights, and the bar inside is chrome. So that was the flavor I was into back then. But now, Euro. Notice the white indicator light? So as you can see, it's a night and day difference from the old to the new. And I think these look a little bit more aggressive. Now the cool thing about these is most of these headlights are plug and play. All you gotta do is unplug the old, plug the new, and install. But if you remember, I installed LEDs in my old headlights. And so we're gonna do the same thing with the new headlights, but I'm not gonna reuse the old LEDs. So I got a new LED setup from Quake World. That's where I get all my LED bulbs from. And let me show you. Here's the kit, same as the old one, 9006. And I like these bulbs. It's basically a stock replacement. You take the old ones out, pop these ones in, and you're good to go. But these are kind of special. Have you ever been in a situation where you had the beam and it's not straight, it looks like this, or either like this? With these LEDs, it's kind of cool because they give you an Allen key. If you have that problem, all you gotta do is take the Allen key, loosen that little screw in there with this Allen key. Now you're able to turn the bulb, where if you're that guy where you gotta have that beam straight, you have adjustability with the LED where you can get it to the point where it is just laser straight wherever you want it to go. Let's install them. Now again, if you're not gonna convert to LED, all you gotta do is plug it here, plug it here, plug it here, and you're ready to go. Put it back in the car and you're good to go. But being that we're going to LEDs, you got 2 little pods here. Don't mess with this because that's the high beam. This is the light you want to deal with. You see that? And that's the bulb. You want to remove that. 3 Phillips head screws that secure it down. Don't remove it, just all you got to do is loosen them up. And at that point, just twist it on out. Like that. All right, so now you want to remove the connector and remove the bulb. And then you want to take the LED, just put it in like you put a normal bulb in, and you should be good to go. Now remember, if you're that guy where you want it to be laser straight, because it may be laser straight, I don't know. But if it's off a little, if you're that guy that needs that laser straightness, you may have to do this a couple of times. Let's just tighten it down. It's in. So now you got 2 connectors. This connector was, the bulb was tied into this, that came with the headlight. And this is the new one coming off of the LED. You got this ballast where off of the headlight connector, pop that one in, and this one ties right into, yeah, like that. and then screw it down. And that's it. Now you got LED headlights. It's that simple. Time to install. So with the Trailblazer SS, you have 2 indicator lights. That's one. And the one up in the corner right here. Slide it in. Lock it down. And you're good to go. All right, let's run through it. Headlights on. With the driving lights. 6000K LED. Looking right. Oh, stealth mode. That's the loop back. Remember that? Those indicator lights, they shine white. Check this out. And then they turn yellow when you make a turn. What's up? Can't forget the high beams. And here we are, full circle. Leave a comment. Love to know what you guys think. Gives it a nice aggressive look. There you have it. Truck's looking good. It didn't take that long. Now we know we don't have to deal with these ashy looking headlights. No amount of buffing and polishing in the world will clear these. And if you want, you can just upgrade to LEDs. It's that simple. And the high beams work as well. So now we've restored the front headlights back to brightness, and it's ready to be on TV or whatever. The truck got a lot of fans. Wow. I wish I had as many fans as the truck does. And speaking of which, if ever you guys see me at a car show, roll up on me. Yo, cover man, what's up? Yo, keep on doing that because I love it. Keep it up. I got a lot of stuff in mind, which you guys are going to be involved with. So keep on hitting the likes. Keep on hitting the subs. Let's take this thing to the top. That's right. But as always, oh, please be easy. Yeah. And I'll catch you guys real soon. Take care. Keep on getting those likes.